Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is June 6th, Monday. Right now it's close to 5:10 p.m. Currently in the East Bay, California. Really bright outside, lovely day. So for this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to remove a headlight switch on a Ford Escape. Currently I'm sitting in a Ford Escape. Let me quickly show you the parts. So the one that I had bought right here is made directly from the manufacturer, Ford. I don't know, maybe it has a part number. Let me show you guys. So the part number is AL8Z11654CA, California, and motorcraft SW6527. I got this from Walmart. So this is the new one right here. Looks something like that. And this is the original one, so I'm going to show you guys how you could remove that. Let me quickly explain why am I changing it. The reason why I'm changing it is that my my headlight stopped working. I checked the bolt. The headlight bolt is working fine. The high beam is working fine, but for some reason the low beam, the regular headlight, doesn't work. So I assuming it's the switch that's broken. So I don't exactly know if that's going to fix the problem, but for this video I'm going to quickly show you guys how to remove it, because on YouTube I couldn't find any video demonstration on how to remove it. To remove any trend, you need a trend remover. I don't really have one, and this is a old card, so I don't really care that if it got all scratched up or anything like that. So currently I'm using a flathead, which is not even nice. It's rusted and everything, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to how you could remove it. Looking at the original part, the new one, if you guys could tell, on the corner it has a metal pins right here, a spring. It's a spring loaded. So what you want to do is you want to apply on these edges. So the goal is to apply on both corners. So the reason why they recommend using a trend remover is that you won't damage the plastic on it. But since it's an old car, I don't really care, and I don't have a trend remover on me. So I'm going to show you guys. Just stick it in and apply. I heard a crack or something. There we go. That was the spring. I don't know if you guys could see it from the edge right there. It's kind of hard. It's kind of dark. And then you want to do it on this side as well. Okay, you know, I'm going to pause the video because it's really hard for me to do this. Alright guys, so I was able to remove it. I did scrape the edges like I say. That's what happened when you use a metal flathead, but I don't really care. And I also bended the metal right here pins, because this is the thing that was holding it and was giving me a hard time. Looking at the parts is really dirty. I got some grease on it. So to remove this, you just have to push in the pins right here. Oh man, I need both my hand, guys. Struggle. I'm gonna pause it right now. Alright guys. Oop. I don't know, my headlight just went off. So anyway, I'll remove the switch. As you could see, really dirty. This is old. Let's put it aside. Let's put the new one in. I don't really know why it's beeping, but the orientation should be the same exact way. Just there we go. It stopped after you push it in. Everything the same orientation. You could see. Oh man, even the serial number is the same. 88 CFW. 88 CFW. Made by Ford. This also made by Ford. Exactly same product. Exactly. So anyway, it should be the same anyway. Why was I surprised anyway? But anyway, let's put this back. It's pretty straightforward. This time you could just push it in and it should goes in directly. There we go. Voila. Easy as that. 1, 2, 3. I guess I could have just went from the back and push it out, but anyway, let's test this out if it works. So the way how you test a low beam on a Ford Escape is that you got to cover the sensor. It has a sensor right there. So I'm gonna cover this, pretend that right now it's at night. So, and then I'll turn the key. Let's turn the radio off.
From San Jose, Mike, welcome to KGO.
I don't want any copyright going on. Let's just start it up, the car. Okay, so where is it? Parking. Let me see if it turns on by itself. It's hard to tell. Let's check the high beam. If the high beam works. Actually, you know what? I could just turn this. So the high beam is on. The fog light. Actually, you know what? High beam. Huh, the high beam's still on. Let me quickly take a look. Just turn this off. Oh, you guys see the headlight? I don't know if you guys could see it. It's kind of, there we go. It's working perfect. So that shouldn't be the high beam. Pretty much conclude the video on how to change a headlight switch. If you guys have any questions, just leave your comments below, and that's about it. I'll see you guys. Bye.